And here we have the Westclox 73034 simulated antique wooden wall clock. Authentic old world design instincts take shape beautifully in the smooth contoured black wood cabinet. This 9 3/4 inch timepiece has a parchment finish mat, large Roman numerals, eyelet hole metal timing hands, and surrounding Arabic numbers encircling the face. Westclox's history of time-tested design durability since 1884 is witnessed in this classic reminder. With real glass lens and real wood casing. Requires one AA battery not included. Quality by Westclox.